you going? Okay, this is an unboxing of my Extreme Flight 70-inch Edge 540T that I bought back in May, and Joe had it set in my garage for about 6 months or 4 months, something like that. But Dad wanted me to do an unboxing video, and it's gonna be electric because it's too hard to tune a gas motor, and I need electric ball supply in my life. I'm gonna flip it over this way. And right here are the wings. And boom, here's a plane. With the stabilizers, there's a tail, that on bag, oh nice. There's stuff in there. There's the rudder. There's the plane. There's this canopy bullshit. It's even got quick locks for the stabilizer, which is cool. I didn't know that. Then here's the plane. Take this off. And then it's got the quick locks for the canopy. Just pull, I don't know how it works. Figure it out. Move them up, yeah, there. And that pops off. And you got inside here, it's gonna be for the batteries and everything. That's how it works. Like that, and then push that down. And then they lock in place like that. And then it's pretty much it. And there's also wing locks on the inside for the wing. I'll put that, this here, all. hinged. And that's about it.